Now is the time to be prepared and not panicked. Here is a guide to stocking up for coronavirus. We know them pretty well here in Kelloland. Public health officials say treat this almost like a blizzard. Stock up on the essentials. Here's your shopping list. You're going to want to get a 2-week supply of water and non-perishable food. Part of the reason? If an outbreak occurs, you're not going to want to go out into public. Make sure you have a 30-day supply of your prescriptions. This information comes from the CDC, so ask your doctor if they're able to prescribe additional medication so that you can have some on hand. While you're at the pharmacy, make sure you pick up pain relievers, stomach remedies, cough and cold medicines, fluids with electrolytes, and vitamins. The number one preventative technique for this coronavirus is the same as cold and flu. So stock up on soap and hand sanitizer when you're at the store. The question on many people's minds is, what about a mask? You see people traveling with them. Should you get one? Public health officials are saying the answer is no. And here's the reason. They're not effective at preventing COVID-19 from the general public, but they are needed for the sick patients to stop the spread and for healthcare workers. The demand for these masks are so high, the U.S. Surgeon General tweeted this weekend, quote, "Seriously, people, stop buying masks." We recommend staying up to date on coronavirus. We've been covering it here at Kelloland, and we put together an interactive guide on kelloland.com on the coronavirus page. You can see the latest number of cases across the globe, in the United States, and right here in our region. Plus, there's a ton of resources that you can find. Here's a few of them. We have put a list of things you should have at home in case a pandemic is declared. And if you shift over to the next tab, you'll find the latest stories from Kelloland News. We've got some of them right here. And on the next tab, you will get an inside look at the CDC in our video center.
So this is the Emergency Operations Center at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.
Finally, we have put every resource you could need from the CDC in our app as well. One more thing we have for you. We put together this PDF Preparedness guide. It has a shopping list, what else you should do, prevention tips. So we recommend printing it off, bring it with you to the store when you go shopping this week, or give it to neighbors and friends and family. And that's your guide for getting prepared. For Kelloland.com, I'm Michael Guerin.